Written English Unit 2. The English word literature comes from the Latin word literatura, which means writing. The English word English literature comes from the Latin literatura, which means writing. That's we may assume that you saw there was no literature until people could write. However, we cannot say that that area any piece on writing. Is literature. For instance, no one will call a recipe for colonial rights literature. Don't mention your sabi, Laida ko one called the direction only for the medicine literature. Lugo may say no, sabi makoba.